TireAngel configuration plan. Here we have a configuration plan, and then we have a Android smartphone with the TireAngel application loaded, and then we have the TireAngel Link TPMS controller with its Bluetooth LED flashing, meaning it's available for connection. The power cable is connected to the vehicle power supply. In this example, we have the dashboard alarm light connected, but to do the configuration, you don't need it connected. In this example, we have the antenna connected, but again, to do the configuration, you do not need to have the antenna connected. Then you select the TireAngel application. It will then start, and then it will bring you into the configuration plan. If it's never connected to the link, it will then give you a list of available link IDs, and then you need to select it. So then you then select manual input and then hit next. Select manual input. Select vehicle type. Enter vehicle ID. Select pressure units and temperature units. Enter your vehicle high temperature alert. Select the first axle layout. Enter the low pressure alert. Enter the high pressure alert. Enter your sensor ID for 1A. Enter your sensor ID for 1D. Select the layout for axle 2. Enter the low pressure alert. Enter the high pressure alert. Enter the sensor ID for 2A. Enter the sensor ID for 2B. Enter the sensor ID for 2C. Enter the sensor ID for 2D. Select the layout for third axle. Enter the low pressure alert. Enter the high pressure alert. Enter the sensor ID for 3A. Enter the sensor ID for 3B. Enter the sensor ID for 3C. Enter the sensor ID for 3D. Select the layout for the fourth axle. Enter the low pressure alert. Enter the high pressure alert. Enter the sensor ID for 4A. Enter the sensor ID for 4B. Enter the sensor ID for 4C. Enter the sensor ID for 4D. Select layout for fifth axle. Enter the low pressure. Enter the high pressure. Enter the sensor ID for 5A. Enter the sensor ID for 5B. Enter the sensor ID for 5C. Enter the sensor ID for 5D. Review your configuration now. Select configuration and check your sensor IDs and your alert values. If you want to change a parameter, you will be prompted for a password. If you want to change the pressure units, select pressure units. Enable your audible alert. If the alert goes off, just touch the screen and the alert will go away. Set auto start enable, and the program will launch whenever the device is started. Auto sync enable will allow you to synchronize data to the cloud server and make it available for everyone. Thank you. Finished.